मुझे बताया कि जब आपने एग्जांपल दी दिस फोर्स एंड द इमूवेबल ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर द इमूवेबल ऑब्जेक्ट इज आवर क्लाइमेट एंड आवर प्लैनेट्स रियलिटी सस्टेनेबिलिटी, और दूसरी तरफ जो फोर्स आ रही है वो फोर्स है कैपिटलिज्म की, कैन दिस ग्रीड बी समहाउ मीडिएटेड?
ये चीज नहीं हो सकती। लाइक जिस तरह नॉन कंपाउंडेबल केसेस, क्यों नॉन कंपाउंडेबल केसेस मीडिएशन में नहीं जा सकते? बिकॉज देयर इज अ थ्रेट टू द स्टेट। यू हैव कमिटेड एन ऑफेंस वेयर द स्टेट विल नॉट लेट यू गो. So climate change and what we're doing to the world around us, and particularly what this hyper consumerist capitalism has done to the world, is criminal, is against the very interest of the world. मैं इसको state के उसमें ले रहा हूँ. You can't talk about this. You have to act on this.
And that is why, unfortunately, every forum जो इस तरह का बनता है, and with all due respect, तभी वो एक talk shop बन जाता है. You end up coming, talking about it. सबको एक green planet चाहिए, सबको चाहिए कि आप greener sources of energy की तरफ चले जाएं. But what you're doing is just barely enough, और आपके interest ही एक दूसरे से मिल नहीं रहे.
The world has currently spent approximately $5 to $6 trillion on renewable energy. Do you know what the total oil consumption has jumped down from? It has jumped down by 1%. What I'm trying to say is, you can talk about it, you can come up with fancy ideas, but on ground realities are very different. Abhi Chitral mein, the local MPA came up, abhi parson unki video aayi, and he's saying that we would like the government to declare a state of emergency. We've had a bad drought following, as in before this, और अब बर्फ पड़ रही है.
And look how quickly it is coming. Like we are right now seeing कि चाइना में आपके सामने एक सिनेरियो है, there are tornadoes hitting US. अगर हम सिर्फ GCC countries की बात करते हैं, यानी desert areas में आप देख रहे हैं कि जिस तरह की बारिशें, thunderstorms हो रहे हैं. I think that is where mediation, unfortunately, cannot be the solution.
Just in one thing, एक जगह पे हो सकती है. You know this fund जहाँ पे आपने climate restorative fund hai, there are developing countries are on the tail end of the climate crisis. We're the ones who are bearing the brunt of this force. The majority of the people who are causing the countries that are actually releasing those
the carbon emissions.
The carbon emissions are actually developed countries, highly industrialized countries. So there needs to be some form of reparations paid to developing countries. That is where mediation is ideal. How much is it going to be?